Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mossy and this is Mossy Trades. And today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made $103,000 today trading Tesla. It feels almost unreal to say that. It is my first six-figure trade. I have been trading for almost 2 years now, and this is the first time that I've made six figures on any given day. So I'm really super excited, and I want to share that with you guys. So I'm going to go through 3 of the plays that I had on Tesla here today. I did play Tesla 7 times today, but I'll just go ahead and go through over 3 of them. Before we go ahead and get started with that, I do want to let you guys know why I had Tesla on my watch for the day. So Tesla had news regarding them signing a deal with China to produce electric car batteries. So that was the first catalyst that put Tesla on my daily watch list. The second catalyst was that Tesla had a strong price target upgrade as well. On top of both of those catalysts, Tesla was moving pre-market. So I automatically wanted to make sure that I had Tesla on my watch for the day. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how I play Tesla. I play Tesla, like I said, about 7 times, and I'll go ahead and go through 3 of those and break those trades down for you guys. Alright guys, so here in front of us we have Tesla for the day. I'm going to break down 3 of my trades on Tesla today. The first 3 trades I actually took on Tesla and show you guys exactly why I took those trades. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as I was watching Tesla in the morning, when I decided to put it on my watch list, you can see here that Tesla has some pre-market levels. So I always like to set those pre-market levels, and if I want to play the stock on the open, I'll play it based off of the catalyst that it has and the pre-market levels that I've set for it. So you can see here that Tesla had a pre-market low of 666.43 and the pre-market high of 679.67. So those were the levels that I was watching on the upside and downside. Now, if Tesla broke on the upside, I would buy calls, and if Tesla broke 666.43, I would buy puts. But since Tesla had positive news behind it, I was looking at Tesla on the upside. I wasn't really looking at Tesla on the downside. So my first play on Tesla was at 9:32. That was my first entry. And my first exit on Tesla for that play was 9:40. At 9:31, so Tesla opened here. It opened strong with a strong bullish green candle. At 9:31, the 9:31 candle broke above the 679.67 pre-market level that I had set. It broke above and it closed above that level. Now that is my first sign that I want to enter Tesla calls. Once I saw this 9:31 candle break above the pre-market level that I had set, I knew that I wanted to buy calls on Tesla if the next candle opened above my level on high volume, and level 2 stated that buyers were stepping in. Now, right now I can't show you guys level 2 because the on-demand feature isn't available because it was just today. So it's not going to show you level 2, but if you want to review on Thinkorswim, if you go on the on-demand feature, if you press on demand in a couple days, it'll actually be available, so you can go back to today's date, the 3rd, and be able to look at Tesla and look at level 2 and time and sales. It's going to be a little bit delayed, but it'll still give you an idea of what level 2 and time and sales looked like today for Tesla. So let's go ahead and go back. So you can see that the 9:32 candle here, the 9:31 candle broke and closed above the level that I had set, the pre-market level, and the 9:32 candle opened above my level. Now I entered on the 9:32 candle. The candle opened above the level. That's my second sign on high volume, and level 2 showed that buyers were stepping in. So I bought on the 9:32 candle. Now, I held Tesla all the way to 9:40 on my first entry and exit. Now, if you look at why I held Tesla through this red candle, I always watch the stocks on the 5-minute chart as well when I'm in a stock, just to see what it looks like. So if you pull Tesla up on the 5-minute chart, okay, so this is the 9:30 candle. And this is the 9:35 candle. You can see that the 9:30 candle was continuously pushing on high volume. It didn't show any signs of a pullback or reversal. So that's why I felt comfortable holding Tesla through this 9:33 candle and waiting for this 9:30 candle to fully close and the 9:35 candle to open. So that's why I didn't panic sell here. On top of that, the volume kind of died a little bit, and level 2 didn't really show strong sellers stepping in. So I was comfortable holding it through this 933 candle. Usually when I'm scalping, I let go of my trades at the first red candle that I saw, but this wasn't a strong bearish candle and I didn't feel like Tesla was going to reverse anytime soon. So I held through this 933 candle and I sold all of my positions. So I bought 20 contracts on Tesla here. I sold my entire position at 940. So you can see this 940 candle here. It opened and it opened red on pretty decently high volume, and level 2 did show that sellers were now stepping in just slightly. So I was comfortable letting go of all my contracts at 940 for about a 7-minute scalp here, 8-minute scalp. 940, 8-minute scalp. So about an 8-minute scalp here. So on this play, I bought a total of 20 contracts on Tesla at a premium price of $21, which cost me a total of about $42,000 on this play. And then on this play, I made a profit of $25,250 on this play here on Tesla. So about almost a 50% profit here. A little over 50% profit here on my first play on Tesla. So on my second play on Tesla, I got in on Tesla at 956 and I held until 959. So let's go ahead and take a look at that here. And I'm going to show you where I went wrong on this play on Tesla. So on the 956 candle, I got in on Tesla. So I got out of Tesla on my first play at 940, so the stock ended up taking a break. It kind of consolidated here in between the level of 690.98 and then the high resistance of 699.39. So I was waiting for another push on Tesla. You can see that volume started to die down here, so it was a consolidation period. And then right about here, volume started to pick up. Now, so I will say that my second entry on Tesla was a little late. So I tried to get in on Tesla at the 955 candle, but my order wasn't getting filled. So I did chase just slightly on this candle because I usually, if my order doesn't get filled, I don't try to put in another order. But with this play on Tesla, I did feel like it was going to rally all the way to the next whole number. Because right here is about 706 and I did want to see Tesla go to 710. On this play on Tesla, so I bought 30 contracts at 956 here on Tesla and I let go of all 30 contracts at 959. So I did chase just slightly on here. This would have been a better entry at the 955 candle because you can see here the 953 candle. It would have actually been a better entry at 954 and 955, either of these. The 953 candle broke the resistance level of 699, I think I said 699.39, and then the next 1-minute candle opened above that level. So this would have been a perfect candle to get on. If you wanted to wait for a higher volume, you could have gotten in at the 955 candle. Like I said, I did try to get in at 955. However, my order wasn't getting filled. So then I had to wait until about 956 until my order finally got filled at 956. So I bought 30 contracts on this play with a premium price of $23.35. And it cost me a total of about $70,050, and I made a profit of around $8,900 on this play. So it was a little over a 10% profit on this play here on Tesla. But like I said, this entry would have been better at 954 and 955. Now, on this play, I got out at the 959 candle. You can see that the candle pulled back to a new support zone here. So now this level is my new support level at 712.23, and you can see the stock started to take a break, consolidated, which is good. So my next entry on Tesla was going to be once I saw this consolidation period end and Tesla push again. And what do you see here at the 1002 candle? The 1002 candle started to push with Tesla yet again. High volume. Level 2 was showing me that buyers were still stepping in. Sellers were not stepping in as heavily. I was comfortable getting in on this play at 1002. So I do want to let you guys know that when I play Tesla on a rally like this, I play Tesla to the psychological hold numbers. So those are the 5, 10, 15s, 20s. So I was playing Tesla every psychological hold number, and you can see that it took a break here at around almost 720. And then right here, you can see that it went from that 720 to about 735 here. So a 10-minute push or $10 push almost. So that's usually how I play Tesla. So if you look on Tesla's option change, chain, the psychological whole numbers, so the 760, 765, 770, 775. So you can see that these whole numbers have higher volume. So I do pay attention to that when I'm trading Tesla, especially when it's on a rally like this. I'll hold it for every 5 or 10, 15, and that's what I'm usually watching Tesla. So here Tesla, I wanted to see Tesla go up to, I actually wanted to see Tesla go up to 730. It did push all the way to 735. So I bought Tesla at 10.02 and I held it to 10.04. So I got out on the push up of this candle. I remember, I think it was like 10 seconds left until the open of this candle. I didn't want the next candle to pull back so fast because it was already up close to 735. It already pushed past the 730 level that I wanted to play it at, and it pushed almost up to 735. So it's comfortable getting out on the push of this candle instead of waiting for this candle to open and potentially this candle dropping really far and me losing some of the profits that I had made. So I actually got out on the push of this candle at 10.04. I bought 20 contracts on this play here on Tesla with a premium price of $23.30, which cost me a total of about $46,600, and I made a profit of $11,000 on this trade with Tesla. That's almost about, I believe, a 25% profit there. The only reason I sized down here is because I didn't know how far Tesla was going to rally to. I felt comfortable going in with only 20 contracts here on Tesla, so I did size down just a bit. So those are my first 3 plays on Tesla for the day. Like I said, I did play Tesla 4 more times. You can catch all my entries and exits also on my Instagram page, Mossy Trades. If you guys go ahead and follow that, I'll also post a breakdown on that channel, on that page as well. And all of my entry and exit points plus my P&L will also be on there. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe to my page for weekly content. I will be posting all of my breakdowns for Tesla on my Instagram pages, so Mossy Trades, so go ahead and follow me on there. So if you guys have any questions on this video or anything that I've stated within the video or my previous video, go ahead and shoot me a DM on my Instagram account and I'll be sure to respond to you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.